In this video, I will show you the top Canva skills every beginner must know in 2026. Blur image background. Click on your image and duplicate. Keep one copy here. Click on the first one. Go to Edit, Tools, click See All, Blur, Whole Image, increase the intensity. Click this arrow. Align this image and remove the background. Add white outline around the person or object. Click on your image, duplicate, remove the background, and go to Edit. Scroll down to Shadows, click See All, Outline, and let's change the color to white color. Adjust the size, and let's adjust the size of the image. And here's the results. Remove the background and export transparent background. Click on your image, page remover, and go to share, download, choose PNG, and choose transparent background and click download. Apply Duotone filters. Click on your image, go to edit, filters, click see all, and scroll down, and you can see Duotone, and you can choose any style you want. Let's choose, for example, this one, and you can adjust the colors as you want, and you can adjust the intensity as well. Crop and frame images into shapes. Go to elements in the left side and scroll down to frames, basic shapes, click see all, and you can choose any shape you want. Let's use this one, a circle. You can adjust the size of the circle and drop your image inside the circle, and you can adjust the position of the size of the image by double click, adjust the size and adjust the position. Place a text behind the person. Go to text in the left side and type your text. Let's change the font and change the color and adjust the size. Click on the image, duplicate, align it, and remove the background. Blend two images. After uploading your images, click on the first one, adjust the size, click on the second one, and adjust the size, make it cover all the page. Go to apps and type image blender. Choose this app and choose fade linear. Adjust the position of these points. Decrease the strength and click save. Fade image to color. Go to elements, shapes, choose the square, and adjust the size to cover all the page. Go to color and scroll down to gradients, choose any style you want, and go to the top, and you can adjust the colors from here. You can change the colors as you want, you can change the position, and you can add colors. Add more colors, delete this one, make 4, and click on the left and decrease the transparency to 0. Click in the second one and decrease the transparency to 50. Outline text effect. Let's click on the background color and change the background color to black. Go to text and type your text. Go to fonts. Let's change it. You can change to any font you want. Adjust the size. And let's use this image. Let's place it like this. Click on the text, duplicate and align it. Go to effects, hollow, and decrease the thickness. Pop out effect. Click on your image, duplicate, move this copy to the right side, click on the first one and crop it like this. Go to corner rounding and make it 100 and place the second one, remove the background and align it and crop it like this. Text cutout effect. Click on the background. Let's change the color to any color. Let's use the gradient style. Go to text and type your text. And choose any font you want. Increase the size. Let's place it like this. Go to apps and type shape cutout. Choose this app. And click export design. Increase a little bit the size, click export and click on all the letters, click cutout and add to design. Let's delete the texts and click on the background, change it to white color, go to edit, scroll down to shadows, choose glow, adjust the size, let's make 6, decrease the blur amount. And now you can place any image or video behind this image. Let's try a video. Let's use this one. Go to layer and send backward. And here's the result. Warp text. Go to text and scroll down to apps and choose typecraft. Type your text. And you can choose any style from here or just click custom and shape your text as you want. And when you finish, click add to design. Perspective photo effect. Go to apps and type transform image. Choose this app. Choose file and select your image. And you can make the effect as you want. Scroll down and click add to design. Half transparent text. Go to text and type your text. Let's change the font, increase the size, and go to color and scroll down to gradient styles. Choose this one. Go to the top and adjust the colors. Add more white color and delete this gradient color. Choose the second style. Go to the first one on the right and decrease the transparency. Make the same for the second one. And here's the results. Glass effect. Click on your image, duplicate, go to edit, tools, click see all, go to blur whole image and increase the intensity to 60, and let's crop the image like this. Go to corner rounding and increase to 100. Go to stroke style, increase a little bit. Go to stroke color and let's use this gradient style, and here's the results.